Hi friends, we at Applied Gate course are very happy to announce the scholarship test for GATE CSE 2021 aspirants, right? This is not for GATE 2020. This is for GATE 2021, right? So this is the exam that will be conducted in February of 2021. So this is mostly targeted towards students and working professionals who are planning to take their GATE exam in 2021 February. Okay, typically students who are either in their third year of BTech or final year of BTech or working professionals who are planning for this, right? So you can find all the details about this scholarship test at gate.appliedcourse.com, which is our website. Just go to the home page. You'll see this scholarship test here. Just click on this. You'll get to this page, right? Very simple. Now here we have given some details about when the test is, what is the format and all of that stuff. So the test itself will be conducted on 22nd December from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. right? So 11 in the morning to 12:30 just after the noon. It's a 90-minute exam, and the toppers would get either fee waiver, either full fee waiver or partial fee waiver based on your performance. This is a pure meritocratic scholarship test. We have conducted something very similar to this even for our GATE CSE 2020, right? So this is, again, many students have requested us to conduct a similar test for GATE 2021 as they're just getting to start, or they're just planning to start, or they're just getting started with their preparation of, right? So, and again, all candidates who appear for the scholarship test will get a 2000 rupees discount by just appearing on the actual stated fee for GATE 2021, right? So for all of this, there is also a syllabus. So what we have done here is, instead of you preparing on your own, what we have done is we have taken 4 key areas. We have taken data structures, algorithms, engineering mathematics, operating systems, and database management system. But instead of trying to test you in all the topics in these things, we are just limiting to a small subset of topics. For all of the topics, so all of the syllabus, for all, again, we will not test you in everything in engineering mathematics, everything in operating systems, everything in DBMS, everything in data structures, algorithms. No, there will be just a limited set of topics. And what we have done here is the syllabus for the scholarship test itself, all the corresponding videos, we have opened them, we have made them freely available to you. So you can take the exam, you can prepare for the exam by just checking out our videos for data structures, algorithms, specific topics in engineering mathematics, especially linear algebra. Look at this. So all the questions that you will get in this scholarship test will be from these videos only, right? So some concepts from data structures, algorithms, some concepts from linear algebra, some concepts from combinatorics, some concepts from probability, some from operating systems, and some from database management system. But what we have done here is we have opened up, or we have opened access to all these videos which are part of the syllabus. So you don't have to prepare it from anywhere else by reading textbooks end to end. You can just watch these videos and prepare for the scholarship test. And again, in many of these, there are also sample questions that we have solved and things like that, right? So the whole syllabus. So every video, if you just go through these videos, you will have a huge advantage, because we'll be asking concepts based on only these videos. And we understand that there is less time, so we don't want you to prepare all the concepts. There is only a small subset of concepts that we're going to focus on, right? So please feel free to check out these freely available videos as part of your preparation for the exam, right? Similarly, we have conducted a similar test last year. You can take the last year test by just clicking on this take test link. Okay, just to familiarize yourself with how the test is. Last year we conducted only on C data structures, algorithms. This year we are expanding the syllabus slightly, right? Of course, we have reduced the syllabus for data structures, algorithms also this time. So you can look at how the test will be by just going here, taking a sample test, which is nothing but our previous year scholarship test, right? Number 1. So similarly, there are a bunch of guidelines here. Please go through these guidelines. Any questions you have, please reach out to us, right? So whoever, all the students who get access, either full fee waiver or partial fee waiver for GATE 2021, their course starts from Feb 9th, 2020. There will be 35 questions, and this is the weightage of questions. We are giving more weightage to data structures, algorithms, because we believe more students will be comfortable with this topic than other topics, right? We are also giving some basic combinatorics like combinations, permutations, probability, linear algebra. We are giving 11 questions. So there are a total of 35 questions. So please go through all the guidelines, right? So that you're completely aware of everything. There is some negative marking. Again, we are trying to conduct the exam very similar to GATE pattern, right? So there will be some negative marks If it's a multiple choice question, if it's a numerical answer type, there are no negative marks. Please go through each of these steps, right? Please go through the guidelines and the pattern of the examination itself. So here is when we will announce the results. We'll announce the results by 23rd December by 7 p.m. And again, a bunch of results and guidelines on how to follow up after the results if you are one of the if you are one of the toppers in the scholarship test. Again, please make a note of the time itself. The scholarship test itself is on 22nd December 2019, right? 22nd December from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. If you have any questions, any concerns, please shoot an email to us at gatecse@appliedcourse.com or reach out to us on this phone number if you have any issues, right? Please make a note of this time. And again, we strongly recommend you prepare these, you go through these videos, prepare these concepts. You don't require any extra material except for what we are providing here. And students who check out these videos will surely have a huge advantage, right? Because we'll be basing most of the questions based on these videos themselves. Similarly, we also have some sample tests if you want to take and practice across a wide spectrum of subjects. You can just click here. Like for example, if you click here to go take tests, there are some practice tests, right? Some on insertion, sort, asymptotic notations. You can take some of these practice tests just as a way to familiarize yourself on what level of questions you can expect, right? So you can click here to take some sample tests for practice, right? So I strongly recommend you go through the guidelines, the exam pattern, the results, how everything works, so that you are completely aware of the exam. The syllabus itself is very simple. You can go through all of these videos in like 15 days max. You can do it in 10 days actually, right? So we strongly recommend that you prepare well for the scholarship test. And we thought to give equal opportunity to everyone. We have opened up the syllabus so that so that people don't have to search for notebooks or videos on the internet. Everything is available here. And if you are already an existing student who has registered for our course, this is very important boundary case, right? So if you are a student who has already purchased our course for GATE 2021, and if you are one of the toppers in this scholarship test, you will be refunded as per the ranks in the exam. Okay, so students who are already registered for our course also can take the test and they'll be refunded based on their rank. So this is open to everyone, every student who is planning to take the GATE exam computer science in 2021 could attempt this scholarship test, right? So all the very best and please share this information with your friends and colleagues who are interested in GATE CSE 2021. And any questions you have, please reach out to us on this phone number or the email address, and hope all of you prepare well and participate, and all the very best for the scholarship test.